Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk 2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk 2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. And my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. And who are new to my daily to-do list videos, don't worry about 70 plus days. And daily I changed my topics and is useful for beginners, so don't worry about that. And you can start your preparation from today onwards. So who are beginners, they can easily understand my daily to-do list videos, so you can start your preparation from today onwards. And also I am providing daily vocabulary words and small tips and tricks, and start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And if you have any doubts, you can connect him in my telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. Join my telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And let's go to our tomorrow's to-do list. And in every Sunday I planned a weekly revision, and this revision is should be like reattempted wrong and skipped questions from last week, attempted quizzes, mock test and PDFs, and also revise your basic notes, which is your daily note down on your daily basis. And as usual, before 9 a.m. revise all basics of each subject like squares, tables, formulas and some brief notes of your weak areas. And also revise last week attempted English quizzes from Adda 24 website. So revise all that once before 9 a.m. And from that quizzes, identify your weak areas where you were lacking. And after that, daily we are watching editorial videos from Adda 247 or Murthy sir. So from that editorial videos, learn and read all vocabulary words, rules, idioms, phrasal verbs, etc. So learn all vocabulary words and rules from that editorial videos and also from mock test. And after that, revise all attempted mock test in a week and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper. And for mock test, I suggest you to, for beginners, you can purchase textbook test series. That is very easy and useful for beginners. And who are already preparing, they can purchase Oliveboard or Smartkida, and they are very useful for all our prelims and mains exam. And also attempt a free mock test from that, then you can choose which is best for your convenience. And in this week we are all practicing attempted quizzes of simple interest and compound interest topic. So once again, revise all that ones PDFs and quizzes, and also skipped questions, so revise all that ones. And in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, they all revise mains quizzes, PDFs, videos, and also mains mock test. Revise all that once, and identify your weak areas where you are lacking. Note down all your weak areas on a paper, and prepare some brief notes of your weak areas, and make timetable according to your weak areas. And if anyone have doubts about this weekly revision or last week to-do list topics or about PDFs or quizzes, you can ask in my telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. I will provide that link in description, and join my telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs. So give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs, and also read last week current affairs, that is May 8th to 14th current affairs from the sources of Adda 247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And I am suggesting Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And also spend more time on your weak areas and learn from your weak areas and make your timetable according to your weak areas. So that is for tomorrow's revision. Be consistent and confident on your preparation, and keep fighting with your preparation. And thanks for watching this video, and thanks for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates. And thank you.